Hi, this is Jogendra Tuteja at Tuteja Talks Desi Martini, and today I'm here to share with you the box office predictions for Anushka Sharma and Shah Rukh Khan's big release Jab Harry Met Sejal. Okay, so this is going to sound like a broken record which I've been on for the last few weeks ki opening nahi lag rahi hai. But I guess till the time a big film actually doesn't really open well, there's a bit of pessimism that will continue to come in. Yes, of course, Jab Harry Met Sejal, it's a biggie and iski opening to lagni hai. But then expectations jo hoti hai, it's a Shah Rukh Khan film at the end of the day. Even an offbeat film like Fan took 19 crore. Then a film like Raees, despite a clash with Kabil, again arriving on the working day, that too in the middle of the week, even that got more than 20 crore. तो अगर इस तरीके की मूवी देखें, which is a romantic entertainer, अनुष्का है, शाहरुख है, प्रीतम का म्यूजिक है, इम्तियाज अली है, प्रोडक्शन वैल्यूज है, ग्रैंडर है, सॉन्ग्स हैव वर्कड, जब ये सारी चीजें देखो तो लगता है ऑन अ रेगुलर फ्राइडे a regular Shah Rukh Khan film with an Anushka Sharma आपका 20 तो क्रॉस करेगी. But then again, this is where the catch comes. So point ये आता है कि catch क्या है? Catch ये है कि audiences को आप थिएटर में लेके जाएंगे कैसे? After बाहुबली जा ही नहीं रही है, हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड में थोड़ी बहुत आई, उसके बाद all the big मसाला एंटरटेनर्स भी आई हैं, like a मुन्ना माइकल और मुबारका, then offbeat films भी आई हैं जैसे कि मॉम. But then again, none of them took an opening. So the point is, audiences घर में बैठे हैं. And the fact is कि इनको एक बार वापस आदत डालनी है to come into the theaters. And this is where one hopes and keeps the fingers crossed that Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma are going to do that again. But जैसा मुझे लगता है that again is going to happen primarily on Saturday, Sunday and then Monday, which is the big Rakhi day. इन 3 दिनों में again we can still expect good volume of audiences to be coming in, but जो Friday का friction है, that's where the worry factor lies कि 20 क्रॉस होगा या नहीं होगा. So पहले शाहरुख खान पर आते हैं. Of course, when it comes to romantic films, he has traditionally been getting audiences. Yes, the last film जहाँ पे थोड़ा romantic angle was there, that was जब तक है जान. उससे पहले रब ने बना दी जोड़ी. But in the middle of all of this, he's been doing films like Raees, he has been doing Happy New Year, Dilwale, which was supposed to be a romantic film, but hardly was anything close to that. So these are the kind of films that he has done in the interim period. So when he comes back with a romantic film, that too with Anushka, with whom he has done Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi and then also Jab Tak Hai Jaan, which were actually his only romantic films that I just said. Now coming to the director, Imtiaz Ali. Now he himself has certain limitations as well when it comes to commercial entertainers. His biggest films have been Rockstar, which was like way back, that got about 11 crore. Then after that he had Tamasha, which entered a double digit, 10 crore cross kiya tha. But then again, as we see, hardcore quintessential multiplex audience के around restricted है. So yes, he has been making classy films, but एक opening जो एक शाहरुख खान के साथ expected है, one still has to see that how this kind of combination is going to work. So all of these elements combined together, one cannot really go ahead and put the film on the sky that yes, 20, 22, 23 is up there for the taking. So there's a reason why I'll be putting the number a little lower when it comes to the prediction. 18 to 20 लग रहा था, but again because audiences आ नहीं रही हैं, so let me hold my horses and say that even if it takes about 16 to 17 to begin with, that will be a good enough start. Now why? Because अगर word of mouth अच्छा होता है, जो कि लग रहा है from the promos, the film is sounding interesting, the songs are working well, so Saturday Sunday जो आपका escalation लेगा, momentum में gather होगा, on Monday it's going to be the biggest benefit because राखी की छुट्टी है. So this entire 1 week collections can turn out to be really heartening. So from the lifetime perspective, the way I'm looking at it, it should be at the least 125 crore. Because think about it, Raees, which was not a film that was liked by anyone and everyone, उसमें भी it went across and crossed 135 crore. Even a Fan, that also did somewhere around 80 crore. So a film like this, 125 crore is something that's expected at the least. But yes, if it crosses more than 150, that will be the true hallmark, the true kind of success that is expected from a Shah Rukh Khan entertainer. But yes, before that, the bare minimum number expected is around 16 to 17 crore, and this is something that I am putting my money on. This is Jogendra Tuteja signing off from Tuteja Talks Desi Martini.